Hi, I'm Karina Gardner, and today we're going to be making some leaves. Now, we have made a leaf in the past. I think even last week we put together a leaf, but this is to show you another way to shape your leaves, okay? So I thought this would just be kind of a fun thing. If you're not worried about symmetry, there are things you can do that makes things kind of fun and interesting and cool and just gives you the ability to play with things. So what I'm going to do is come over to my rectangle tool and I'm going to choose my ellipse tool. I'm going to pull down and create a long oval piece. Now I want to be working with fills, and right now my fill is white and my stroke is black. So I'm going to come over and I'm going to swap those two things out. I'm going to click on the white stroke line and I'm going to click on the none. Okay, so this is going to be our main leaf piece. Once you have made this oval, then I want you to come over to your width tool. Underneath, you're going to find all sorts of cool effects. If you click and hold down, you'll get this menu. A warp tool, a twirl tool, all these fun tools. The tool we want is the bloat tool. So click on that. You get this crazy big circle. All you're going to do is you're going to click within the oval and pull out a little bit, okay? So if you've never used this tool before, just play with it. You'll have a great time with it. I'm going to pull it out just slightly because I'm kind of making an oak leaf. So I'm going to click it and pull out. Click it and pull out. Do you see what I'm doing? So this is not, it's not going to be symmetrical, but it's fun and creates a doodly shape, okay? So you can see how I'm clicking and pulling out, clicking and pulling out. Just like that. And that creates an amazing shape. Okay, isn't that so fun? Like you get an oak leaf so quickly. Now, of course, we want to create a stem and maybe we want to create some lines inside of it. So I'm just going to come over to my line segment tool and create a stem. I'm going to hold down the shift key for this. And let's go ahead and change this to black. So if you come over here, I'm going to change it to my stroke to the top. And if your color window is up, if you go to window color, so that your color window is up like mine, you're just going to click on that black, okay? Now let's change the stroke by going to window and stroke, and let's make it 7 or 8, a little bit bigger. And let's round the cap, so you've got that nice rounded cap. Oops. And creating all sorts of extra lines. Now, if I pull on this, you can see that's really straight compared to my oak leaf. All I have to do is rotate it a little bit if I want, just to make it work however you want. Okay, so I kind of rotated it a little bit and you can see that you get that shape. If you want some lines in between, you can of course take your line segment tool, hold down the shift key or not, or because this is more doodly, so I'm going to edit and go Z, we can also take the pencil tool and you can just draw a line just like that, and you just need to change it to black. You can see, or white. You can see I've got black. Okay, so that's the black. If we go to our color window, mine's over here. You can go to window, color if you need that to open up, and just change it to white like this right here. Okay. And then the nice thing is, since this is not symmetrical, you can take that pencil line and you can just change it a little bit so that it works for what you're trying to do. And that's it. That's how to create such a fun, different shape of a leaf. I hope you've enjoyed it. If you haven't taken my free class, I have a free Intro to Illustrator class on my website at karinagardner.com. You should take it totally free. It's meant to be fun, and I'll see you guys later.